Mesothelioma law firms file lawsuits on behalf of victims of asbestos exposure. They help patients and their families pursue financial compensation through settlements and jury verdicts. Top mesothelioma law firms have high success rates and a long history of getting results for their clients. A mesothelioma law firm helps victims and their loved ones determine whether they can file a lawsuit against the manufacturers of asbestos-containing products. A lawyer at a mesothelioma law firm completes paperwork at his desk. A mesothelioma law firm can make a complex legal process much easier. These manufacturers knew that asbestos could cause workers, and the general public, to get sick, but they hid the truth for decades in order to make a profit. Law firms work to bring these manufacturers to justice and retrieve compensation for victims. Anyone diagnosed with mesothelioma should contact a law firm as soon as possible. There is limited time to take legal action, and mesothelioma law firms may be able to file a claim on your behalf before time runs out. What does a mesothelioma law firm do? Mesothelioma is a rare form of cancer that attacks the lining of the lungs and chest wall, pleural, abdominal area, peritoneal, heart, pericardial, and testicles, tunica vaginalis testis. The only known cause of mesothelioma is exposure to asbestos. Mesothelioma law firms focus on helping mesothelioma patients and their families recover compensation from the asbestos companies that are responsible for their illness. Asbestos litigation is a complex field of law, so it is crucial to choose a top-rated mesothelioma law firm that has an established track record of securing maximum payments for their clients. How can an asbestos law firm help me? Coping with a mesothelioma diagnosis, whether you are the patient or the caregiver, can be all-consuming. It can take every bit of strength and energy you have just to get through each day. Meanwhile, the financial pressures continue to pile up, and you worry about what will happen to your family in the future. The best mesothelioma law firms have a true understanding of what patients and families are going through. These seasoned attorneys have helped countless asbestos victims through this difficult time, and they work tirelessly to take the pressure off patients and families. Steps to filing a mesothelioma lawsuit. Filing a mesothelioma lawsuit involves several steps, from consulting with a lawyer to receiving compensation. 1. Consult a lawyer. The most important step in filing a mesothelioma lawsuit is consulting with a lawyer with significant experience in asbestos claims. A qualified lawyer will guide you through the legal process, answer your questions, and help you understand your rights and options. 2. Case evaluation. Your case evaluation can be done from the comfort of your own home by phone, by video chat, or in person. Our legal representatives will gather information about your asbestos exposure and medical history. This information will be used to build your case and determine the best course of action. Even if you're unsure of where or how you were exposed to asbestos, an experienced lawyer can help uncover this information. 3. File your asbestos lawsuit. Once your case has been evaluated, your lawyer will file a lawsuit on your behalf, usually within 30 to 60 days. The lawsuit will detail your asbestos exposure, your diagnosis, and the damages you are seeking.